Hello friends, today we have with ourselves is a Asus Zenfone 2. We have to change the LCD touch combo of this phone. So come, let's repair. So we will change this old combo with this new one. We will have to scrape off this die from the new combo. They put this die on the name in case the combo stays on the shelf for too long. Well, this is not coming out from this guitar pick. Let me try a new weapon. My nails. See, now it is coming out. I guess this new combo wants my thumb to look black all along this repair video. There is a glass screen protector on the old LCD. Let's remove that. And now let's start with disassembly of this phone. First of all, remove the back cover. And now we will unscrew all the screws. All of these screws are Phillips T4 screws. Just beside the volume button you will see this long steel screw. Make sure while assembling we put this screw on its place. Now with the help of a pry tool we will lift up the mid-frame cover. This is the loudspeaker module. It sits here like this. This small part of the motherboard connects the charger, the vibrator, and the loudspeaker. We will first remove this flex cable and the antenna cable. Open the latch and lift it up. Gently lift up the charging module. Make sure you don't break this flex belt. Pull out the antenna RX cable from both the ends. So this mid-flex cable connects the memory card and the SIM cards and the entire lower module that we removed earlier. We will have to lift up this heat sheet because the touch connection is beneath it. This yellow tape is also heat resistance tape. This is the battery connection. And this is the display connection. This small connection is the touch panel connection. Open the latch and pull out the cable. Make sure you don't break the latch. The proximity sensor rubber is fitted well intact, so we will not take it out and leave it as it is. The headset speaker won't be an issue, so we will leave it on its place while we change the combo. Lift up this old touch panel belt from the main frame. And now we will start heating up the combo from all the corners with a mild heat. Heat up the combo only that much that will loosen up the glue. Don't melt the mid-frame plastic with excessive heat. Heat it up to a point where it is just too hot for you to touch. We will use this suction cup to pull the combo out of the main frame. For this particular phone, we will not use the metal pry tool because the edges of the main frame on which the combo sits are too delicate. If the main frame is heated up and we use the metal pry tool, we will damage the main frame. I'll just try to pull it out. It is not ready to come out. Let's try it from another side. Now it is too hot for us to touch. Now let's again try it with a suction cup. And there we go. It comes out. Now we have to clean up all of this old glue. So by the time I clean up the old glue, you can hit the like and the subscribe button if you haven't yet. Clean the glue and the dust particle thoroughly if you see any. Before you put in the new LCD combo, don't forget to take out this speaker grill from the old combo. If you forget this, the phone will have a very bad look and the speaker will be not as safe as it should be. There is still a quite lot of glue on it, so we don't need to use any extra glue. Just put it on its place and it will sit nicely. Okay, so now for fixing up the combo, we will use the glue B7000. Make sure you apply the glue all over the combo on all the sides, on all the edges. Don't clog up the component's hole while applying the glue. Now first insert the display belt into the main frame and then the belt of the touch panel. You can take the help of your plastic pry tool to insert that display belt. Once the flex cable is out, match the round corners of the top end and make the combo sit on the frame nicely. With gentle yet firm fingers, apply a little pressure on the LCD combo and make it sit on the frame nicely. You can see the speaker grill looks nice as it should have. Now let's start assembling this phone back again. First thing to do, apply a little double tape on the touch panel belt and make it sit on its place. Now place the motherboard and insert the touch panel belt into its holder and close the latch. Before placing the battery back onto the frame, attach the charging module because after placing the battery it will be difficult to place that module. Put the vibrator into the place. Put in the battery connection, the mid flex cable connection and the display connection. And now let's try powering on this phone. While the phone boots up, let's put in the RX antenna cable. And there you can see a new life to yet another phone. The display is working fine. So now I should type in the message which I have been waiting to give you. Well, I hope you got the message. Now comes the easy part. Let's mount back the mid-frame cover and put all the screws into their places. Now let's tape up this phone for 6 to 7 hours, and after that this phone will be as good as new. Oh, I already gave you the like message. So guys, stay strong in life, never give up, keep fighting, and I will see you again with a new phone, with a new mission. Goodbye, take care.